Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Bella.
Today, we're learning natural expressions that native speakers use in everyday conversation.
We will compare longer or more formal sentences with the shorter phrases people commonly say.
Let's begin with 7 useful everyday expressions.
I'm a bit short on time.
Oh, I can't make it tonight.
I'll keep you posted.
I'll sort it out.
I'm in the middle of something.
That works for me.
I'm fine either way.
Now, let's hear which common sentences these natural expressions can replace.
Yesterday, I told Sam, I do not have time to talk.
That is correct, but I'm a bit short on time sounds more natural.
I also said, I cannot come to dinner.
In everyday conversation, you could say, I can't make it to dinner.
Then I promised, I will inform you tomorrow.
A more natural choice is, I'll keep you posted.
What about saying, I will fix the booking problem?
You could simply say, I'll sort it out.
Sometimes I say, I am doing something now.
When you are already busy, say, I'm in the middle of something.
For a meeting time, I might say, that is okay for me.
That works for me. Sounds more relaxed and conversational.
And when either restaurant is fine, I usually say, I do not mind.
I'm fine either way. Makes your meaning clearer.
So the first sentence is not always wrong. It may just sound less natural.
Exactly. The second version is usually what you hear in casual speech.
I have probably sounded like a business email at family dinners.
At least everyone knew you were very professional.
These small changes make everyday conversations feel much smoother.
Let's practice 8 more natural expressions before comparing them.
I'm not fussed.
That caught me off guard.
I'm glad you brought that up.
Don't overthink it.
It's not a big deal.
I'll take care of it.
It's worth a try.
I need to take it easy.
Now, let's return to the conversation and compare the next group of expressions.
If I say I do not have a strong opinion, it sounds a little long.
Yes, when both choices are fine, you can say, I'm not fussed.
Instead of that surprised me, could I say that caught me off guard?
Exactly. It often suggests that the surprise came suddenly.
What can replace I am happy you said that?
I'm glad you brought that up. Sounds warmer and more natural.
And instead of do not think too much about it, say don't overthink it.
Yes, while it is not important can become, it's not a big deal.
Instead of I will do it, you can say I'll take care of it.
And it is a good thing to try. Sounds more natural as, it's worth a try.
Finally, instead of I need to rest, say I need to take it easy.
The natural versions are shorter and easier to use.
Once you notice these patterns, choosing everyday expressions becomes much easier.
Great work finishing today's lesson.
You do not need to memorize every sentence.
Listen again and notice which expressions feel most useful.
Say them out loud and let them become easier each time.
See you in the next lesson.